Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be showing off the red tinted brows. I usually use liquid lipstick. It makes it a little bit darker, but this is all I have right now. It's just I use a red pencil from NYX. Something, I forgot where I put it, but just a red eyeshadow can do as well. Anything red that you have in your makeup kit, you can use to tint your brows. We are going to be doing red eyebrows. So you're just going to do your eyebrows like normal, and you're going to add some red coloring on top. So I already did my base. So next, let's see, you gotta make sure your base is blended, honey. Blended, honey. So yeah, I'm gonna do my brows off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished with my eyebrows. They're a little thicker than normal, but it's okay. I can thin them out with my concealer. But right now, just do your eyebrows as normal, and then you grab like maybe a red eyeliner. Here we go, red eyeliner from NYX. It's pretty much used, but this is what I use it for. Or like an old lipstick. I use this from like Forever 21, and I use a brush and you kind of paint it on, and I'll show you. So I'm gonna do both, and because this is a little bit like more pinky, hot pinky red. This is just like a basic red, so I'm gonna use both of them. Okay, so you just take the red eyeliner and you can go right over where you just drew your eyebrows on. And you see the pigment? Okay, as you can see. You just trace over the brows you just did, basically. And make sure you get all the way underneath. I'm gonna do the other one and be right back. So my pencil kind of ran out, so I'm gonna show you how I do it with the lipstick. So this lipstick is just like, it's pretty old. It's barely done, so you take a little bit on a brush. Because usually I use like a liquid lipstick, because that dries way better. So it's not shiny or anything, but this is with a lipstick. You just paint it on. This adds a little bit more color before we brush it through. This is a nice tint, so it's not like extreme. This one needs the most because I ran out of the pencil. Can't believe I lost my liquid lipstick. The liquid lipstick, it looks so much better. This is just kind of like a tinted red brow. Okay. Ooh. Here we go, looking red. So when you think you're good, you're gonna take your brush, and then you're just gonna brush through the brows. It's okay if you still see some black through. You did the black underneath, so that's gonna happen. And now I'm gonna clean them up off camera. Okay, now that you line up your brows, looking pretty good. It's like tinted, so it's not gonna be like in your face red, but like it's like he dyed it a little bit. So I'm just gonna blend it out. Try not to get the concealer mixed in with the red, because that is not cute. But you can clean that up with some more concealer after you're done blending. So I just blend down into my eyes. And blend in like on here. Here is harder because my trash baby hairs, but I gotta blend it out too. So this is the finished result. This is your red tinted brows. I'm gonna do the rest of my face and I will be right back. So this is the finished look and this is the red tinted eyebrows. Oh my gosh. Don't look at my baby hairs. They look so trash right now. I'm literally about to take my hair out right now. But this is the lashes. The lashes, Sumptuous Beauty. The style Dallas. And this lip here combo is Fenty Beauty in the color Unbutton, and this is Mocha Cosmetics in the color, I think it's Orchid something, but it just says 6 on there, number 6. But I put that on top of this matte lipstick and it looks so pretty. Such a cute pink, perfect with the look, a whole lot of red look, whole lot of red. I'm gonna fix my hair because it looks really trash, so I'm taking my hair down. I tried to do something to it and it just looks trash, so. There we go, we're from the 80s. But like my baby hairs look really bad, so like I know. So just let's focus on the makeup. My hair looks like crap. Let's focus on the makeup. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry my hair looks really bad, but this is just red tinted eyebrows with red hair and red makeup. Whole lot of red. Okay, Mimi Savage out.